Hello everyone, welcome back to Homestead Tools and Gadgets. Get you over here. So, in this video, we're going to talk about cordless batteries. I went to Lowe's and I bought a 2-pack of these 4 amp hour batteries. But there's one thing you got to watch when you buy these things, the date code on the battery. I'm going to try to show you this. It's a little dark. It's probably impossible to see. But anyways, these batteries have a date code of 2024. Both of them. You want to know how long batteries last? 4 years. I got 2 batteries over here that quit the middle of, well, actually the beginning of last year. And these are have the date code of 2020. This is a, I don't know what size this even is. I think this is a 1.5 amp hour. Yeah, it's a 1.3 amp hour battery. These are 4. These will last a long time. I can use these in any one of my big tools, including my lawnmower. So, check your date codes on your tools. If they're 4 years old, you might want to replace them before they drop dead during your project. See you next time.